Raja Khadim Hussain Saab to kindly come over and share his thoughts with us.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear colleagues and Petarians, I would like to give a short introduction of myself to those who probably may not be knowing me. I joined Cadet College Petaro in August 66 as teacher in physics and continued till July 73. So almost 7 years I passed over here. As most of the cadets speakers have mentioned that they were at the age of 13 or so when they joined Petaro. I was under 22 when I joined Petaro as a teacher. And the day I entered class on my first day, somebody put a toffee on my table, which I enjoyed myself. Well, when I left Petaro, I joined Navy, and almost I served in Navy for about 23 years and got my retirement way back in 93. And since then, I am working as IT consultant on various World Bank projects and so on. I've been with IBM also for about 4 years. Gentlemen, as far as my stay at Petaro is concerned, believe you me, I always remember it and take it as the best period of my life. I, I always tell my friends, acquaintances, whosoever meets me, if somebody asks me, just let us know your experiences. I have got almost now 40 years of service, including Petaro, Navy, and consultancy. During this 40 years, probably this was the best period for me. Why it was best period for me? I got excellent stuff as students. They were very respectful to me. They, they are still paying respect like anything. Whenever I read any news about any cadet of Petaro, whether it is Noresh Kaur becoming federal minister, General Shahid becoming general, Zaka Ashraf addressing press conference, I tell everybody, look, here is a Petarian. He is a Petarian and he is a Petarian. This is the product of Cadet College Petaro. During my stay over here, because I was young at that time, I fully and very actively participated in sports as well, apart from teaching physics. I was a very good friend of cadets on the ground, but again, in the class, I was a teacher for them. And this relationship, alhamdulillah, is still existing. And I feel so happy whenever any cadet meets me, the way they respect me. Believe you me, I can't explain that. Nobody can feel that excitement, feel that sense of achievement when you meet your ex-students and they pay you respect from their core of heart. Petaro is a place, I'm sure everybody is proud of that, whether he is a student, he is a teacher, or whatever association he has got with Petaro. I have been abroad to different countries, and believe you me, wherever I went, Petarians came across, and they helped me, they respected me, and anybody hearing that Raja Khadim Hussain is around, they would make all the efforts to meet me. Gentlemen, as far as your stay at Petaro is concerned, I don't have to repeat it. You are definitely proud of being Petarians, and I am proud of being a teacher at Petaro. Most of the speakers, I would like to elaborate one more point. Most of the speakers in the past, they have been mentioning name of Colonel Coombe, who has been the founder of this college. There is no doubt he established the base for this college. He inculcated a spirit of discipline, hard working to the staff as well as the cadets. But excuse me, what has happened that most of the cadets who spoke on the rostrum, they were quite senior. They have not seen what other principals have done for this college. Every principal has done a lot for this college. That is how you are looking at this final product of the college. It is worth mentioning, and it is very much justified that all the principals have worked, but I would definitely like to mention name of Commander Feroz Shah and present principal Commodore Abid Salim. Look at what changes have been made over here. When I joined Pitaro in '66, it was totally different. Believe you me, at Hyderabad, somebody took me to Pithoro. First time when I was coming to Pitaro, he didn't know the name of Pitaro. He took me on the way to Pithoro. Then somebody told me that you have to go to Pitaro, that's a different place. Today, in the hook and nooks of every corner of the country as well as world, people know where Pitaro is and what Pitaro it is. It is all the efforts of principals and, of course, cadets and the staff members over here. But particularly Commander Feroz Shah, he played his role in upkeep of sports in this college. Probably before his tenure, we were nowhere as far as inter-cadet colleges tournament was concerned. Commander Feroz Shah, apart from other aspects, he took a lot of interest in sports, and Alhamdulillah, we won all the inter-cadet colleges trophies which were held at that time. That's what I said. Whenever it was held, we won, and almost out of all the sports, maybe we missed maybe one trophy or so, and we were runners-up. But otherwise, all the trophies were overwhelmingly won by Cadet College Pitaro. That's a record, I tell you. Gentlemen, as far as my experience is concerned, I have learned myself a lot from Pitaro. Believe you me, I have been swimming, I have been going for riding, I have been playing squash, I have been playing football over here in this ground. And this experience, one thing I should also mention, that facing a class at Cadet College Pitaro is not that easy. And Alhamdulillah, the teachers over here, they sort of impart trainings and face the class over here as well. This training or the experience which I gained over here has helped me a lot in my practical life also. Wherever I went, this experience of mine helped me a lot. And as I said, I always remember Pitaro, and I wish best of the luck to Pitaro and all the ex-cadets and the present cadets in their lives as well. Thank you very much.